Hi, this is Mark from onlinebusinessconsultant.co.uk, and in today's video we're going to have a look at how to download and install CrossLoop. And CrossLoop is simply a facility to allow you to receive help with your computer from somebody else anywhere in the world. And the way that works is simply by you giving them permission to view your computer screen. So the first thing that you want to do is to go to the CrossLoop website, and that is www.crossloop.com. Once you're there, simply click on the download button and scroll down the page to type in your email address. Once you've typed in your email address, click on the download button. Hopefully, you'll now see this security warning with options to save or run the file. If you don't see that, it's likely that your internet program has blocked the download, and it does that just for security reasons. But because we know what we're doing here, you want to look for a little information bar that appears near the top of your screen somewhere along here, and when you click on that information bar you'll be able to override that blocking and download the file. So once you've done that, click on the save button. You want to save the installation program on your computer somewhere that you can find it very easily. I'm going to save it on my desktop here. So click on save, and then we just wait a moment for the download to complete, and that should just take a few moments. Okay, so I cheated there a little bit by pausing the video while I waited for the download to complete. But once that download is complete, either open the folder to have a look at where the file was saved. Before we do that though, I'm just going to show you that CrossLoop has actually loaded a new page on your browser that has download instructions. So if for any reason you do get stuck, you can always have a look at these. What you want to do now though is go to your desktop. I have a button down here that can show my desktop, or you can simply minimize all of the windows on your computer, and you'll see the CrossLoop application here. So double click that and you'll get another security warning in all likelihood. Click on run. Now if you've got a firewall installed on your computer, because CrossLoop tries to access the internet, your firewall is going to check with you whether or not you want to allow this. It is safe to do so, so just click on allow. Next you'll have to choose which language you want to set the program up in. English is normally the one you'll want to choose, and then just click on next. You have to accept the licensing agreement and click on next, and you can then also create shortcuts to easily access the program in future. Click on next, and then finally install. Again, installation takes a few moments, and if you have any warnings, it's okay to allow this application to access the internet. We'll just wait one moment for the installation to finish. Shouldn't take too long. There we go, pretty much done. And then that's it, it's finished. CrossLoop is installed. You can launch CrossLoop when we click on finish, or if you don't want to launch CrossLoop, just untick the box. CrossLoop will then be installed on your computer. You'll see it here with a little shortcut icon. Every time you want to use CrossLoop, just double click that. We wait a moment for the program to load. and the box will pop up on your screen asking you to create a CrossLoop account. You can do this by all means, but you don't have to. You can click on skip. Equally, if you already have an account, there's a login button over here. I'm going to click on skip, and then CrossLoop will open up on the right hand side here. You'll see something like this. In terms of using CrossLoop, I'm going to demonstrate that in a separate video, but for now you've managed to download and install the CrossLoop program, so well done.